Love is more than
late night calling.
love is safe hands, never falling. Yeah. You say you love me, then you break my name. Turn every little secret into quiet shame. You kiss my shoulder, then you slam that door. Say it's all my fault when I'm lying on the floor.
Love never needs my silence as a price. Love never twists my body like a vice.
If you blame my clothes or how I move my hips, that is not romance, that's poison on your lips.
Love is not an alibi
For hurting me,
then asking why,
you say I'm sorry,
just to do it again.
oh no.
Love is not a cover story
For bruised up hearts and stolen glory. If it leaves me broken,
that is not love, my friend.
he says, I'm just a man. You know how men can be. His brother laughs along, says,
Take it as a plea.
they pat his shoulder, call him good inside, but I still taste the night I almost died. My brethren tell me she should just forgive. You said you're sorry, man, let the both of you live. But I see your face now when I close my eyes, and every joke they make is just more little lies.
Love is not an alibi
For hurting me,
then asking why,
you say I'm sorry
just to do it again.
again.
Love is not a cover story
For bruised up hearts and
stolen glory.
if it leaves me broken,
That is not love, my friend. Don't call it love when you take what I don't give. Don't call it love when I'm too scared to live.
don't stand beside me if you stand behind abuse. If you defend that darkness, you're choosing his excuse.
We sing this truth for every trembling hand. Your body is your own. Your heart can make a stand. Love is not an alibi
For hurting you,
then asking why,
they say we know him.
but they don't know your pain.
No, no.
Love is not a cover story
For tears you hide and
twisted stories.
if it leaves you hurting,
That is not love, my friend. Real love holds you,
when you say
that's enough. Real love listens,
doesn't call your
courage rough,
we'll keep singing,
till the hurting ends.
'cause real love heals you.